Hey, hello everyone. My name is Yinka Daramola. I'm a pastor. I've heard about forests all my life, and all I've heard about forests are not good. I've heard that people lose money. I've heard that people have hypertension, high blood pressure, people have stroke, people even die because of forests. So that doesn't interest me. But when I saw Waju's campaign, and even though it sounds too good to be true, but I gave it a try, and lo and behold, 2 weeks ago, just in 4 trades, I've been able to make my salary for the month. Just in 4 trades. This is not something you can explain to an ordinary man. This is not something you can explain in a video. You just have to try it. It's something you try, something you do. I'd never made a lot. I never traded forex in my life. This is the first time, and I've already made my salary in 4 trades. Try it, and you will never regret it. God bless you.